Hello everyone, welcome back to the Python programming video series. So we were just learning about the constructor in Python. Okay, so constructor is something which is actually called out at the time of object creation, right? So let's just try to get the areas rectangle using constructor in Python. Let's just try to create a rectangle class. So I'm creating a class rectangle here, and which is going to have a constructor by the help of init keyword, and it is going to take the self parameter length and let's say width. So we know the formula of area of rectangle, that is, like, let me just take first of all the length, and here I can just try to get the self dot width with width, and I can just simply here create one more function for calculating area by giving the self parameter, and here we can just simply return the logic with self dot length with the multiplication of our self dot width, right? So length into width would be the area of rectangle, and let's just try to create the object for our rectangle class, and we can just simply pass our parameter here. Let's just use our object here within the print statement to get the area by calling the function, and area we can just call through object our method. You can just check the response. So we need to save the program actually. Now I'm running it again. So we just got the area, that 20. How we have just passed out the parameters a like length and width. Okay, by the help of constructor we have taken self dot length, I mean value of length, into the self dot length. Again self dot width will take the width, and we are just going to return simply logic with another function, that is area, which is going to take the self. Okay, this self video I have already created out, so you can just use like go through my self parameters video. Okay, just to have a better clarity what is the use of this self parameter over here. Okay, simply we have given the formula for calculating the area of rectangle, that is length into width, and we have just called out our area function with object.